Originally, the developer found a site, a former hotel. The developer felt it was ideal for developing 34 luxury residential apartments. From the very beginning, this project went very well. The authority approvals went very well. Construction took off and got completed on time and on budget. It wasn't until the building was finished that the real problems started to come to the fore on this development. Once the building had been finished and people started to move in, that's when the problems happened. Cracks start appearing in the building. Not just a few cracks, but huge number of cracks all over the building, both inside and outside. What the cracks meant was the building was moving, and it was moving substantially. It wasn't that the ground was subsiding, it was that the building was actually moving due to temperature. It wasn't long after the cracks were first discovered that the litigation nightmare began. Due to litigation, we had to drill into the cause of the cracking. And what we found was a structural fault in the design of the building, made worse by a lack of expansion joints being designed into the building by the architect. As a property developer, litigation is a nightmare. This project had 7 years of litigation. It took us completely out of our focus of our core business of developing, and resulted in us being defocused and having to fund the litigation process itself. Millions of dollars were spent on this whole litigation process by all the parties who were involved. At the end of all of this, with 7 years of litigation behind them, the developer made no money, the builder made no money, the architects and the engineers, insurers paid for the problems that were there, and as a result, the architects and engineers are now paying higher insurance premiums. Overall, a disaster for everyone. The moral of the story is to always use the fundamentals of property development. Do your research, your due diligence before you start a project.